Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.6, Problem 7. This is Section 3.6, Problem 7. It says write the number as a decimal, and we have 7/10. So, with all of these from this homework section, if you can use a calculator, just do the numerator divide by the denominator equals, and the calculator will give you the decimal answer immediately. If, on the other hand, you don't have a calculator, you have to do it out the long way. So you set up a division symbol. The numerator goes under the division symbol. The denominator goes in front of the division symbol, and do 10 divided into 7. Now, 7's not big enough to fit 10. So write it as a 7.0, and you can essentially pretend it's a 70, but that decimal comes straight up into your answer like that. And now 10 divides into 70 evenly. It goes in nice, goes in 7 times. 7 times 10 is 70, and now when you subtract, the remainder 0, so it went in exactly. So the answer is 0.7, and some people prefer to write the 0 in front of it when you have a decimal, so 0.7. Other people prefer to just put the decimal and just 0.7. Either way.